In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select and use the brush tool in your digital editing software. Whether you're creating a digital masterpiece or just enhancing a photo, the brush tool is an invaluable asset for any digital artist. Let's dive right in and explore how you can effectively change the brush color to suit your needs. First things first, you'll want to select the brush tool. This is typically done by simply pressing the B key on your keyboard. The brush tool can be found in the Tools panel, usually on the left side of your screen. It's quite literally shaped like a brush, so it should be easy to spot. Selecting it will allow you to draw or paint straight onto your image or blank canvas within the software. Next, let's talk about changing the brush color. Start by clicking on the foreground color swatch. This is a small square usually located near the bottom of the Tools panel. By clicking on this swatch, you'll open the Color Picker, a handy window where you can choose your desired color. Now, if you've ever used a color selection tool before, you'll know this is where the fun starts. You can navigate the color spectrum to find that perfect hue. You can click around to explore the range of colors, or simply type in the desired color code if you have a specific shade in mind. If you'd rather use a color from your existing image, you can select the eyedropper tool. This is especially useful if you're trying to match a particular shade that's already present in your project. By clicking on any part of your image, the eyedropper samples that specific color and automatically applies it to your brush tool. Once you've selected your desired color or sampled it using the eyedropper, the next step is to confirm your choice. In the Color Picker window, you'll see an OK button usually positioned in the bottom right corner. Clicking this button will apply your selected color as the new foreground color. With that, the brush tool is now set to use the color you've chosen. Now, when you return to your canvas and begin painting with the brush tool, you'll notice it's using your new color selection. This simple yet powerful feature allows you complete creative freedom to bring your artistic vision to life. And there you have it. You're ready to experiment with colors and enhance your digital projects. Remember, the key to mastering digital art tools is practice, so don't hesitate to test different colors and techniques. Thanks for tuning in, and happy creating.